In this video, I am going to tell you how you can use ThinQ AI in LG TV. So this is my LG TV and I need to use remote and click on menu first, and you need to go to all settings. uh, just tap on all settings. After that you will get these options: pictures, sound, programs, connection, journal. So in journal you can see at the top, you can see AI service is written. So you need to select AI service. After that, you need to turn on this AI sound option from here, and you need to go here, voice recognition. You just need to tap on this voice recognition. After that, you will get an option to select any one of these, and you can now select Think IQ from here, LG Think IQ. You can simply click on this, and it is now selected. So as you think you is selected now, or you can do a further settings from here if you want. And you can select you can see the version, you can update it to latest version if you want, and you can get the voice response, turn on, turn off. And you can use this thank you option of LG to get the AI services. I hope friends, now you will be able to use ThinQ AI in your LG TV. If you still face any problem, you are free to comment and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.